Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. 2 steps to master English, 2 steps to become fluent at home. I am going to tell you in this video that what are those steps that will help you to become fluent at home. Like I have been become fluent in English language at home without joining any classes, without joining any paid classes, without joining any conversation groups, without anything. I just practiced a lot at home. I just followed only 2 steps that you have to follow for mastering English. You have to be master in this language. If you want to be master, you will have to do these 2 steps. You will have to follow only these 2 steps, and no one will be able to stop you to learn this language. No one can be hurdle in your English speaking journey. So without any further delay, let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So guys, there are 2 steps that you have to follow. Number one, that is speaking practice. From your first day, you have to start speaking. Don't think about that you will make mistakes. Yeah, you will definitely make mistakes. You will make lots of hundreds of mistakes while speaking, because you are a beginner and every beginner makes mistakes. When I was beginner, I also used to make mistakes. Even today I make many mistakes, but I am improving. I am ready to improve my mistakes. This is how we can learn anything in this world. This is how, if we are improving every day, day by day, we can learn, we can become perfect in any thing, in any kinds of language or whatever we want. We can be perfect. So that is why I'm saying just start speaking from your first day at home. You don't need to go outside. You don't need to go anywhere for practicing. You don't need to have a conversation with your friends, because I know, I can understand, they will make fun of you when you will go outside and speak in front of them. They will make fun of you. So you don't need to go outside. You just have to do one thing, that is you just have to talk to your family members. Family members will not irritate you. They will not stop you to learn this language. They will not let you down. I am saying just practice with your brothers, or cousin brother or sisters or family members. You can talk to your mom. Mummies are very calm and polite. So you can talk to your mummy for practicing. You just need to say that I am learning this language. I need to talk to you. I need to practice this. I will be able to speak this language only by practicing. So that is why I am talking to you, mom, and I am learning this language. If you will not be able to understand, I will make you understand what am I trying to say. Okay, so you have to say this and just practice. Just try to talk to your mom. And from your first day, I know you will not be able to speak at all. You will not be able to speak a single sentence, but day by day you will be able to speak. You will be able to increase your capacity. That is why I am saying the step number 2, that is listening. 2 steps होते हैं. फर्स्ट स्टेप स्पीकिंग एंड सेकेंड स्टेप लिसनिंग. लिसनिंग को साथ में करिए. Just try to listen to the things only in English language. From your first day, stop listening to Hindi songs or your regional songs, your regional language videos, anything you are watching in your mobile phone. You just have to stop watching those videos in your regional language. Just start watching all the things in English language. That will help you a lot. And what you can watch, I am going to tell you, there are multiple things you can watch on YouTube. You can watch on Instagram and anywhere. Number 1, that is podcast videos. Number 2, you can watch foreigner YouTube channels, foreigner blog videos, where you will be able to learn English naturally. That is why I'm saying just subscribe to those foreign YouTube channels where you guys can enjoy, where you guys will be able to enjoy and learn this language. And number 3, you can subscribe to those YouTube channels which are, I mean, uploading day-to-day life conversational videos. They are just making videos while cooking, while doing anything, while doing farming work, while doing anything they are doing. They are just making videos so that you will be able to connect yourself, you will be able to learn practically. So I'm just saying, just subscribe to those channels. And number 4, you have to start listening to the speeches. That will help you a lot. And I am going to tell you that one channel is uh, आई मीन टेडेक्स, या टेडेक्स चैनल है, उस पर उसको सब्सक्राइब कर लो. देयर विल बी लॉट ऑफ स्पीचेस यू विल बी एबल टू वॉच, एंड you will be able to enjoy the speeches. When I was beginner, I also used to listen to the speeches. I also used to listen to all the videos in English language, and it helped me a lot. Only these 2 steps you have to follow, and you will be able to hit this language. You will be able to speak very good English confidently, effortlessly, without joining any conversation groups, without joining any paid classes, because this is very expensive. And I can understand what can be your, I mean, financial, I mean, situation. I can understand, I can relate to you. Okay, so these 2 steps you have to follow, and you will be able to learn this language. आप बहुत ही अच्छे से बोल पाओगे केवल 3 महीने के अंदर. Like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment on this video. How was this? Was it helpful or not? Okay, have a good day. We will meet in another video. Bye bye.